If I was giving advice to someone wanting to replace their job's income within the next 45 days, I tell them exactly what I'm going to say in this video. Learn and master a high income skill. This skill that you'll be learning is valuable, in demand, and you can charge business owners a lot of money for it on a monthly basis. You can eventually open up an agency or start freelancing and outsource some work to other people and scale it up as big as you want. I know people right now doing 10, 20, 30, $50,000 on a monthly basis within the past year, some even within the past 45 days, while only working a few hours on a daily basis. In this video, I'll be breaking down and handing to you on a silver platter 11 high income skills that are in demand right now, all that have the potential to get you from zero to over $10,000 a month. All I ask in return is that you scroll down right now, this exact second, and smash the like button. I want to beat last week's video, which is why the video that you're watching today is going to be even more valuable. Smash the subscribe button, leave a comment of what skill you want to pursue right now, and I'll be responding to as many comments as possible. By the way, you guys have been absolutely crushing the support on the other videos as well too. I'm forever grateful. But with that being said, no more wasting time. Let's go ahead and get straight into today's value. What is a high income skill? The internet has revolutionized the business world. There are brands, influencers, entrepreneurs, all generating hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year because of the internet. Every one of these businesses is comprised of many systems that make it successful. People that run these businesses are business owners, and they don't have time to master every single system. They don't have time to juggle all of these roles of being the CEO and a janitor. So by neglecting even one of these systems, they're leaving tens of thousands of dollars of monthly revenue on the table, and that's where you come in. If you can become a specialist in one of these skills, you can charge these brands thousands of dollars on a monthly basis to help them with that specific role, and you can have 1, 2, 5, 10 clients at a time. So think about the potential over here. You become a specialist by helping them make another $30,000 from one specific high income skill. They'll gladly pay you $2,000 to $3,000 for you to help them make that extra $30K a month. So what are these skills that I'm talking about? There's a lot of different ways you can help business owners, but here are 11 high income skills that are proven and in demand. So while you're listening to this video right now, take notes, because these are in demand right now. They are highly monetizable. Number one is lead generation. The skill of lead generation is essentially helping other business owners get high quality leads for their offer. Exactly what you're looking for when you master a high income skill. For example, right now I have an agency where I charge people $6,000 to $7,500 for a 3-month program where I help them collect leads from Twitter. These people happily pay me because they're getting 20 to 30 book calls of high quality prospects in their niche, in their high income skill space, that are ready to buy from them because they're able to pay me, and I give them a launch pad as a boost to help them grow their audience. You can do this with cold emails, with LinkedIn, with networking Facebook groups for them, for creating a content system on social media like what I just said. It's very easy peasy. Number two is our web design and CRO. Every business in the world needs a good website, and you know this, and that's why web design will always be one of the best skills to master. But there's a catch. Anyone could put a good looking website together, but the real question is, does the website convert? If you're going to choose this skill, you need to pair it with CRO. What CRO mean? It means conversion rate optimization. A conversion is when someone purchases on a website. If 100 people come in to the website and only 2 of them purchase, that's amazing. But what happens if that same 100 people came in and 8 people bought? That's another 6 people with 0 extra spend on ads. So if you can help them boost the number of conversions they get by doing small little changes of A/B tests like a scientist, you're going to be able to help them boost their overall conversions and overall sales of their store. Number 3 is ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is a great skill to master. There's an abundance of business owners right now that need one. Take me, for example. I post 5 tweets every single day. Then I post 3 threads every single week. Then I post a mind map every single week on my Twitter account, and I post YouTube videos. I don't have time to do this all myself because I run my own 7-figure brands. So what do? I have 2 people helping me full-time, helping me write my content for me. I just add my own whizz's touch and provide them with the value. They write it all out for me, and I just do 20% of the work instead of 100%. 100%. So basically what you're able to offer is ghostwriting services for other people's personal brands. Write their tweets, write their social media posts, help them build an online presence for their personal brand while they focus back on their actual business. So now they're reaching more people, all while automating the entire service. Number 4 is social media management, mainly focused on TikTok. It's 2022. Every brand nowadays needs a powerful social media audience to drive traffic and build an audience. Creating content strategies via TikTok to help them build an actual presence on TikTok and go viral is a huge winning offer for yourself right now. So what you would do here is create them a content strategy, tell them exactly what to record. They record the video for you. You bring it back, you edit the video and post it for them, and boom, do this 2 to 3 times on a daily basis. For the next 3 months with them, you post 180 times on the TikTok, they're gonna go viral and they're gladly paying you $3,000 to $4,000 on a monthly basis. Number 5 is media buying. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, Google ads. Ads are always in demand. Why is that? Well, remember the last time you thought about a specific piece of clothing or some really cool high-tech gadget and you found an ad for it on Facebook or on Instagram just randomly popping up on your feed and you think the algorithm's listening to you? Well, people are actually doing this. There are specific criteria that you can use to target individuals who are looking for a specific type of product and have a specific type of pain point. If you want to go and buy ads, which is placements on these big social media platforms, you can do so by learning inside of the utopia.io, which teaches you every step of the skill you need to actually master a high income skill. If you master the skill, you can sell it to brands for a monthly retainer. You could take a percentage of the ad spend, take a percentage of the profit. The ways to make money from this are endless. Number 6 is copywriting. You can also pair this skill with web design and CRO. It's a very good complement. Every website you go on has lines of writing called copy. Every ad you see has ad copy. Your job is to formulate this copy the best possible way to convert. You're basically persuading people towards the purchase, convincing them to buy by talking to them based off their pain points. You're walking them through the sale on this journey to qualify them, to make sure the product that you're selling is right for them. For example, I own an Ecom brand, but my product page copies are so weak. But if you're a great storyteller and you know how to write convincing copy that persuades people, that takes me on this journey, I will pay you to rewrite the entire product description on my e-commerce store so I can boost the overall conversion rate. You increase the brand's revenue by optimizing their copy and they pay you for it. You could do product page copy, landing page copy, ad copies for people. Choose a specific type of copy, master it, and start offering it as a service. Number 7. Sales. Sales is one of the best skills to learn in business in general. Every single person, every Tom, Dick, Harry, mama, papa, grandma, sister, brother, doesn't matter who it is, everyone needs to know sales because everything in life is sales. Every single business needs sales to thrive. It's one of the best places for beginners to start because all you need to do is be able to speak to people, convince them, take them on a journey, use your tonality, use your body language, and use the words that you're saying to take them on a journey towards the sale. All you need to do is get on a phone with your prospect, sell them the product that they're really interested in, and boom, you take a percentage of the sale as profit. And sales is a great skill to start with to come in handy with all of your future ventures as well too. Highly recommend this for all beginners. Number 8 is a community marketing agency. You're basically helping people build a community of people who believe in what their brand believes in. These are people who already bought from the brand once and are looking to buy multiple times more. You're nurturing them. You're building a personal connection with them. You have a community of all of these other people who are willing to be interested in that product, who purchase the product, who are sharing behind the scenes on their journey. For example, if I own a health brand right now and I have a product that shows people how to lose some weight, if I create a community of all the people that purchase the product and all of us are sharing our weight loss tips, all of us are sharing exactly what we're eating on that day, all of us are sharing progress tips, we're creating this powerful community of people who believe in what we believe. If you offer this to people by growing people's Facebook groups or a specific group where you have a series of types of content that's posted every single day, people will gladly pay you thousands of dollars a month. Number 9, SEO, search engine optimization. Your job here is to help businesses rank organically on search engine. So on Google, when you Google how to get rid of this specific foot pain, right? What the websites that pop up are there because they've been ranked with search engine optimization. You can master the art of SEO and learn how to rank these websites at the top of Google to help them get more sales organically. Number 10 is a branding expert. Branding is so difficult to show the actual outcome and results when it comes to sales, but it is by far one of the most important ways to stand up from your competitors. All your competitors coming into the space, 6-7 brands with the same product, same offer, same everything. What's the way to stand out? With unique, powerful branding. You want to sell branding to people in a way for them to protect themselves from these competitors stealing from them. It's a way for them to increase the valuation of their company when they're selling. It's a way for people to believe in what their brand believes in because they have powerful branding. Provide branding as a service to your audience, and it's a great skill to have. Number 11 is Shopify development. E-commerce is taking over the world, and Shopify is the leading platform for the business owners to get started. There are e-commerce companies generating hundreds of thousands of dollars and millions of dollars on a monthly basis. If you can help them improve their website or help them solve a specific problem they're having, they'll have no problem paying you for it. If you can get good at this, build a name for yourself using a social media personal brand, the opportunities are endless. Part 3 is your skill and business mastery. How do you master your skill? Learn everything you can inside of the Utopia. We have full courses on each of these skills that I've mentioned above, community resources, a Discord you can ask questions in, and everything from courses of starting an agency from beginning to end, to scaling it, to mastering high income skills. It is your accelerator for mastering these skills. Hands-on experience is number 2. If you have no experience in the skill you choose, you'll need to practice it first. Either practice it on your own brands if you have one, or social media account if you have one, or work for free for a brand in exchange for a review. Let them know that you are a beginner, you are looking to help them out for free. If they are down to hire you, you're going to do the work for 30 days in exchange for a review. This is the perfect way because you're getting real experience working with a real actual brand that is working right now. You then get a testimonial from that brand, which you can leverage to get your first paying client down the road. People just want to make a quick dollar right now and think they can charge $4,000 a month. Think about this. If right now I have zero experience and you have a brand doing $100,000 a month, and I say, hey, I have zero experience, but can you pay me $4,000 a month, bro? Obviously no. You're gonna say no because you want experience. You're not gonna just throw money away. That's what these brand owners are thinking too. They are not going to hire you if you have no experience. So work for free, get the experience in. So what happens if you don't see any success after a couple days, weeks, or months? Well, mastering things take time. Bruce Lee says it best. I'm not afraid of the one who knows 10,000 kicks. I'm afraid of the one who practices one kick 10,000 times. You won't be expert right away. It's an investment you're making in yourself. There's a lot of things that won't be perfect right away. Your offer won't be perfect. Your actual service won't be perfect, but you need to forge on regardless. Only by doing and testing can we make necessary adjustments based on the market's wants and needs. Sitting around, twiddling your thumbs, crying like a wah-wah baby just for something to work out is victim state, and it won't get you anywhere. You need to go out and try things for yourself and optimize based on the feedback you get. So these are the basics you need to 1, acquire a high income skill, 2, package it all up and sell it, and 3, master it. If you're interested in learning how to turn into a full-blown agency or even freelancer who wants multiple clients and live freely, then you can check out my video on how to start a marketing agency. In that video, we go over every single system you need in order to scale this thing upwards, from your foundations, your offer, prospecting, getting clients, onboarding the clients, getting results for the clients, reporting, and even more. That video will take you on a journey to the next level. If you want more in-depth courses and you're ready to actually invest in yourself but don't want to pay thousands of dollars, because I find that so unfair how some of these guys out here are charging beginners thousands of dollars who are working 9 to 5, who are already struggling with their bills but charging them thousands of dollars. If you're willing to actually invest and want every resource you need to make your first dollar online and actually scale to $10,000 a month, then check the link in the description below. I created a utopian society for entrepreneurs who want to scale up. It has every single course you'll ever need to actually make money online, from high income skills to mastering ecom, to mastering an agency, to scaling up an agency, and so much more. You get live calls with myself. You have a community of thousands of experts who are there to help you out. The Utopia is your ultimate resource for online money success. Other than that, that wraps up the video, guys. I have so many free links for you guys in the description below to help you guys out as well too. So don't forget to smash that like button, everyone, and subscribe for more. I'm out. Peace.